This is the elevator at a Rill car park in Abbey. It's an Otis Gen2. You can see the bounce smoking. There's a view. There's a bounce smoking of all. Here it is at 1. Constantly available up to not use the same. Just be doing like that. You see it always got the side down.
Yeah, the place is good, no?
Going on the zero.
Yeah. I mean, they were brand new when we moved here.
Okay.
Yeah, they
How
were,
many years you live here?
we lived here, I think 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, we moved out, I think, to 2016.
Okay.
Yeah, 6-7 years. How long you been living here?
Just 6 months.
6 months. Oh, you can't
Capacity
hear.
63 kills here.
Before I was doing
Plus
Gen2.
6.
Ah, okay.
Zero,
from
zero.
Gen2. You're coming from work.
Yeah, coming from the...
See the car park? It's got the 4.
This gentleman is going on level 4. Okay.
What's your name, sir?
So then,
Nice to meet you. Srinivas. Your name, sir?
Farouk.
Srinivas.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
you're not 4.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go down to 3, 2, at 1. Look at me, say hey now. So 4 killing capacity, 60 kills here, plus 55 at 6. You're at 3. It's up and down indicator. And here we are at 2.